Okay, here we are. Wyatt Nation. Here's what we're doing today. I'm making something for my wife. I know what you're thinking, but it's really this. It's peanut butter. You put peanut butter in, then you put the secret ingredient, vanilla extract. Just a capful, that's it. Then you go over here like this, and you drop 2 of these guys. Boom. Oh, this one broke. Bum, bum, bum. Like that. Then exactly 1/2 a scoop. There we go. Then put some milk in there like that. Oh yeah. This is a peanut butter and banana smoothie. Wyatt style. If I wanted to be mean, I'd put in a cobra holding a giant scorpion. Or I'd put in some of this stuff. Look at what that stuff is. God. Anyway, this is my wife does a lot of stuff for me, so I am going to make something for her. One loud motherfucker. All right, that's it. And that is Wyatt Nation's famous peanut butter and banana smoothie. That's my recipe.